G'day RPG makers, welcome to the RPG Maker MV Game Dev channel. Let's make a game. Let's continue with the RPG Maker MV official tutorial walkthrough. We're going to go on to step 13, continue to learn a bit more about the database. Yes, we have our project. We're going to load it up. Tutorial game. And this is where we're at. We're going to learn a bit more about items and skills. Going back into the database, click the Items tab, change maximum. Now we can change this to 6. That will give us 2 new items. Let's create an elixir. Okay, we're going to copy and paste the potion. So we can right click and select copy, or just do Control C, Control V, change that to elixir. We'll now put fully restores HP and MP. Okay, we're going to change the price to 500 because this is an amazing potion. Under here we're going to right click, select edit, or you can press enter. Okay, we're going to change 0% to 100%. Then we're going to change 500 to 0. Click OK. Next we're going to set up full HP. We can double click that, or press enter to add a new one. Recover. It says 100%. 0. We're going to change the animation. Let's choose heal 1, 2. Animation 42. Now it's complete. We're going to create a new skill. Change the maximum. 11. Triple strike. Number 5. Triple attack. Control C. Control V. Triple strike. Hits 3 random enemies. Change the message when the skill is used. Click Users. Change the skill type to special. There's different skill types. Each actor, if you recall, an actor is a class, is a character, and this is a player-controlled character, or potentially player-controlled character. It's part of your party. Okay, they can use it in the traits. For a special skill type, if special is not set as a skill type in the actor's traits, they cannot use the skill even if they've learned it. Also, if their skill type is none, the actor would be unable to use it. So you need to have the ability to use a skill before you can use it. So, if you want them to learn skills, make sure you check their skill types. Enemies can use skills regardless of skill types. It's very complex, you can read through it again if you like, but for the moment let's just continue. So Therese doesn't have a special skill, she's a warrior. We'll change some traits. Click the Classes tab. Click on Warrior. Skill type Magic is there, but not special. We're going to change Magic to Special. Click OK. Now she can use special moves instead of magic. Let's go back to skill editing. Triple strike is a special move, so we make it consume TP instead of MP. Let's call that temporary points for the moment. I actually don't know what it stands for. Since it costs TP, we'll set the TP gain to 0. Okay, we're done creating the skill, and here's an explanation of TP. It's a value that shifts between 0 and 100. There's types of points. It's gained when damage is taken in battle and when specific actions are taken. It's kind of like an ultimate power points, or something that accrues over time and then you use it to do things. The value at the start of the battle will be from 0 to 25, but if the actor has the preserved TP trait, the TP value at the end of the battle will be carried over. It's mainly for using powerful skills that cost TP, so kind of an ultimate skills type of point system. Let's move on. We're going to make Therese learn the skill. Click Classes, Warrior, double click the topmost line, won't change the level of the note, click number 11 and we'll click Triple Strike. Next, click OK. Now, our warrior class can learn triple strike, or they will have triple strike. Because Therese is a warrior class, she'll learn that. Let's make an item that boosts TP. Make item 6 number based on number 1. Control C, Control V. We're going to call it TP charge. Next, restores 50 TP. Change the occasion from always to battle screen. Change the effect to gain 50 TP. Click OK. So now we can see effect, gain TP. Click OK. Click Save. Let's run a battle test. We'll open the database one more time. Click the Troops tab or the Encounters tab. Select our opponents. Click Battle Test. Click OK. Now we might want to just make sure that Therese comes equipped with some of these items. Harold's going to do a spark attack. Therese is going to try using an item. There we go. Comes with 100 of those, so she can use that. But her TP is currently 1, so let's just have one of those. It's got to be used on Therese. Let's do a fire spell. And we'll just do an attack. She restored 50 TP. They attacked, and he's doing a strike to attack everyone. There are plugins that can speed up your battles, and you can take advantage of those as a quality of life developer tool. Now if we go back to Therese, she can do a special skill, and the attack is triple strike. Let's have a look at her special skill and see it in action when she goes through. Lucius just does a regular attack. Therese is using triple strike to hit 3 enemies. And that's all working. Okay, we don't want to battle test again. Close, click OK. We've been introduced to the database. That's the end of the tutorial. Let's move on to the next one. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider smashing that like and subscribe buttons, as they do help with the algorithm. Now it's time for you to go and make your game. See you in the next one.